Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, I have performed the cut operation on author table using author model. Now I can introduce one more table called book and make the relation between author and book. So let's start. Create a new model called book. Change internal to public. Assign property public int ID or called book ID. Give some name, book title and book description. Message. Same. Use a table name, table book. Assign the primary key. Make it auto incremented. Generate it. Database generated option dot identity. Now give the relation for public author. Public int author ID. Assign foreign key to the table name. Fine. Author ID. Then make it same convention. Book. Okay, fine. So one author has many books. Public collection book. Make it virtual. Enable lazy loading. After creating the author field, go to DB context. Add the data set for books also. Now write migration command to create books table. Add migration. To the migration name, add book table. As you can see, book table is created. Now perform update. As you can see, the update is successfully generated. Now check database, customer DB table. Just refresh. Sorry, book DB table and books. Now check for the relation constraint column. Author is a foreign key, but I have not added any required field. So book title is required. The message. Required. Use some max length. A book author ID is also required. This required. Now, after this, you have to again write the migration command. So add migration book title required. It now you can see the command executes successfully. In the next video, we will add the book repository and book services. Thank you for watching this video.